Welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. I think this is a very opportune time to talk about Alaska Air Group Inc. And let me tell you, the crisis has just started brewing and you need to be very much aware about it. So let us discuss without any further ado. But before that, if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, just hit on the subscription button. Also hit on the notification bell along with the all button to get my updated video notification. Now just focus on this particular section and let me tell you what is happening here right now. So the high that the stock has made was in the year 2017, and since then what we have seen is the stock is not performing well. That's what we have seen. Indeed, the stock has made a high or has moved 270% from the lows of 2020, but it's unable to succeed and made a new high, and right now it is moving on the downside. But let me tell you, this is not what one should focus on. Okay, the price is indeed important and that's what we are here for, but what you need to focus on is the momentum. And if you are looking at the momentum, either you are talking about the MACD, okay, it is giving you much more clear picture, or you are talking about the RSI. I don't want to talk about the rest of the indicators, but just about the MACD. So as you can see, the high or the highest peak that this stock has made as far as the momentum indicators are concerned is in the year 2015, and since then the momentum has been on the downside and right now it is again going lower. So what does it simply means? It simply means that momentum is not there as far as the stock is concerned, and I'm talking about 2015. The high that the stock has made was in the year 2017. So you can see that even though the momentum is going down, the stock is going up for the next 2 years, but eventually it has to come down, and it has exactly happened, because from the highs of 2017 till date it is still down by 55% from the top. But we are not talking about what is happening right now or what has happened till date. What we are going to discuss about is what will probably happen right now or going forward in the long term, because we are analyzing the long term chart, and that's what I am specialized in. Okay, so if you are looking at the long term chart, and for that you can't say that this is not happening, because it will take time. It will take time for the stock to go up and similar on the downside. So what do we have here as far as the trend is concerned? So this is the upper end of the range, and this is pretty much it, because although we have seen some upside, as you can see, we have seen some sort of upside, but as of now this looks like a false breakout, and this is your actual trend. This is your actual trend which is holding right now. And if this is the case, then we are just started, or we are at the tip of the iceberg, because the correction is just started or about to start, whatever you may want to call it as. And the levels which you need to look at will be as follows. Let me show it to you. Here we are. Okay, so these will be your three big support levels that one must focus on. As I told you, not at all bullish as far as the price chart is concerned. I am here to do the chart analysis. I am not here to talk about the business as well as what's going to happen. The chart looks, again, here there is no pump and dump scheme. This is just for the educational purpose, and do not try to short or go long. Whatever you may see on this video is just for educational purpose, and I also want you to observe what is happening or what is going on as far as the chart is concerned, and let me know your views in the comment section as well. What do you think? This is my view. This is I'm not correlating this view, or there is no influence at all, but this is specific to my views and what I thought about this chart. So right now The first support that we're gonna look at is going to be 28.57, or rather this is the range that we are looking at, and it is in between or 28.57 and 24.51. If the stock settles somewhere in between these two, that's fine, but if it falls below $24, then the next support is going to be 10.47, and I don't know if there is something fishy that I am sensing right now, but the big support in case of any disastrous scenario will be $4. So right now I'm not going to take any decision. These are the three big levels which one should focus on. How much time or what should be the next support, that time will tell, that the market and the upcoming updates will tell you the answer. But right now looking at this chart, there is no positive thing. It does not matter if it goes continuously up for the next 10 days until and unless it crossed the high of 2017 $105-$106. If it is not happening, even though if it goes up and falls down, that also a consideration that this is a false breakout. Whatever the move has happened was a false thing. But right now it's been happening for the last 6 or 7 years, that the stock is giving an indication that there is no momentum at all. So please be very specific about the trend, and because I am sensing something out, I am sharing this knowledge with you guys, and take your decisions very judiciously. Okay, do not rely on this video at all. I don't want you to rely on this, because I am a trend analyst and not talking about fundamentals, at least as far as this video goes. Okay, so this is specifically price analysis. So the chart looks weak, and you may call it as a start of a correction, or correction has already started. That's up to you. Share your thoughts in the comment section. This is the end of the video. Thanks.